Hey everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul. This one is from SLo Planning and I am so excited. I cannot stand it. I'm going to go ahead and jump right on in. I cannot wait to show you this one kit. I am so totally in love with it, but I will show you these freebies first. It has no spend, don't wake the bear, and then the little checklist that is like hot cocoa. And then this was the SLo Planning sale, laundry, shop, and then a full box with Uggs. So cute. And everybody's into this buffalo plaid, and I like it too, to be honest with you. And then this one is from CP Color Pop Paper. So it says Color Pop Paper Company. So this one's from them. Washi Wednesday, and it's foiled, so it is so beautiful. Very pretty. This one, and this was for the Ultimate Planner sale, by the way, y'all. I'm so sorry. This is Busy Bee Papery. Busy Bee Papery. Look how much they put on that. I mean, they gave you a lot. Look at that. Plan, Target Run, Date Night, Busy Bees, Netflix and Sleep, Water the Plants, Paint the Nails. I mean, this is so cute. And I have a Chihuahua, so that was even cuter. But not sure if that's a Chihuahua, but it looks like it. And Game Day, of course, because y'all know I'm a football mom. This one is Playing with Anna. This is so cute. Look at this. Bill due, payday, habit trackers. Very cute. And then this is her collect 6 bows. Collect 6 bow stickers from your freebies for $10 shop credit. So let's see. The freebie. Let's see. This one, let me see. I gotta make sure which one is the bow. Oh, here it is. Right here is the bow sticker. So you collect 6 of those, and then you can redeem it for $10 shop credit. So that is awesome. All right, this is another freebie. This was Janet's freebie, and it has no spend, day off, water habit tracker. Look at that full box. How cute. And then a 2, and then a bow that looks like an ornament. So cute. Love it. And then this beauty. Look at this. Don't touch my planner, to do, weekend, and it's all foil, bows, planning, canceled, and then the heart checkbox. Love, love, love. She's got beautiful stuff, y'all. You're never going to be disappointed with her. So, and then I ordered this butterfly marker for my TN. Is that not beautiful? Look how gorgeous this is. It's rose gold and silver. It is absolutely beautiful. Love, 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 love. So cute. I cannot wait to use that, and I will show it to y'all when I do. And then here is the kit that I am so excited to show you. I could not wait to get this. Let me show you the full boxes first. Look at these full boxes, people. Oh my God, I'm in love. This is so beautiful. Look at the 2 boxes that makes a little scene. And then these with the trucks. Oh, I cannot wait to use this kit. I am counting down the days. I shouldn't be, but I am. So there's your full boxes. Then your full check boxes. Adorable. And then your headers, your half boxes, and appointment boxes. Your habit trackers, your food trackers, your sidebar. Look at those sidebars. Look at that. Bill dues, quarter boxes, little things. And then here's some headers: to clean, work, family, spending, school, next week, exercise and dinner, to do, flags, little icons, quarter boxes, hello weekend. Look at that. Hello weekend's beautiful. Long flags, day off, groceries, etc. So cute. Here we go. Look at that. The bottom washi. Look at that. I'm in love. And then the glitter headers, and then regular silver and green, light green and dark green, I think, or that's black actually, I'm sorry. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. And then here are your day covers. Again, I'm in love. I could not wait. As soon as I saw this, I told her I had to have it. I was like, I got to have this. I saw it on Instagram, I believe. So go check out SLo Planning. You will not be disappointed. And I'm hoping I'm saying that right. I hope it's not SLo Planning. But if it is, I am so sorry. Please correct me if I am wrong. But please go check them out and give me a thumbs up. And I hope to see you back here really soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.